Hi, this is my little puppy Dexter. He's still a bit nippy, but I think I'm getting used to it. But he's a very good dog, and he's a jet black one. He's 9 weeks old, and on Friday it was his 1 week old birthday.
Anniversary
Of
joining the house.
joining the house.
Can you come in the middle of the floor and do paw?
And his ears are still not really up yet. Come on, Dexter. Sit, paw,
Make him sit. Bring the
Dexter.
food over his...
paw,
Put the food over his head.
Dexter,
Make him smell it.
Dexter, sit, paw, good paw, sit, lie down. I did it!
Excellent.
And this is what Dexter loves chewing. This is plastic, but this is edible plastic. And its favourite toy of them all is the squeaky green cat.
Let him play with it then.
Dexter, play.